What to do before and after your plastic surgery procedure. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon and I do a lot of plastic surgery procedures. Let's get into it. In general, prior to your surgery, you want to do things that are kind of even keel, right? We don't want to do any crazy partying, drinking, stuff like that to upset your body's healing ability prior to going into surgery. Those are the main things. Focus on sleep. We have preoperative supplementation that we recommend that you pursue. You can check it out on postoperative.com. We have a whole list of supplements we recommend based on procedure. Okay, so there's some ones you want to start beforehand, which I think will help a lot with healing. And just mentally be in a good headset. I recommend everybody meditate twice a day, 20 minutes. I did a transcendental meditation, but you can get an app, so on and so forth. Calm is a good app. You know, Headspace I think is another one. And just kind of get in a good headset mindset mentally prior to coming in for surgery. If you have some anxiety, that's something you want to try to work through. We want to stay away from medications to treat anxiety, although I'm a big fan of CBD if you are having anxiety. And just kind of like envisioning that your surgery is about to happen and it's going to go completely well, envisioning the recovery, focusing on things that you need to do in recovery is actually a great way to kind of prepare yourself for the day of surgery. But believe it or not, most of the work that is going to really transform you happens at the time of surgery, and then afterwards is also really important about what you do as well. Now, general considerations after surgery is you want to rest, but we don't want to be in bed all day. Okay, so I tell this to all my patients, get up, walk around. The bed is for sleeping. You don't lie in bed all day. The bed will put you closer to the grave. Remember that for the rest of your life, okay? So you're in bed to sleep only. Otherwise, you're up, moving around, preventing blood clots in your legs no matter what procedure that we do. Get a little sunshine every day. I recommend that. Make sure you eat and drink food. You typically need more calories to heal after surgery, but guess what? Your appetite goes down. And then you want to do some things to kind of clear out the anesthesia out of your body, whether it's an IV postoperative drip that we offer here in our surgery center, or it's a supplement list that will actually help your body heal, especially after the antibiotics that we have to give you and all these other things. There are procedure-specific things that you can't do, but generally you want to stay out of water for 6 weeks. You don't want to do any heavy lifting for 2 to 6 weeks, depending on your procedure, but we do want movement. Movement helps you heal, okay? But it's just not strenuous movement. But again, more information about postoperative instructions, check out my videos, my long format videos, and of course you can obviously ask any comments, questions right here on my YouTube page. And if you like more videos like this, please feel free to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. Thank you.